Remove the screws and lift the protective cage off the compactor. Remove the protective film. Remove the wires securing the vibratory plate to the lower portion of the protective cage. The manual is located on top of the compactor. Release the control column. Using a lifting loop or chain with an appropriate weight capacity, run it through the lifting point at the top of the cage of the compactor. Hoist the compactor off the protective cage and set it on the ground. The controls on the Honda GX270 engine consist of a choke lever, a fuel on-off petcock, an ignition switch, and throttle. Note that the throttle lever mounted on top of the engine does not have a friction plate. This is because there is a remote-mounted throttle lever on the control column. This remote throttle lever should be used for all throttle inputs. Check the engine oil level before operating the compactor. Remove the dipstick and wipe it on a clean rag. Dip it back into the engine block and remove and check the level. Add engine oil as necessary and use an appropriate viscosity for your operating environment. Replace the dipstick. Fuel can be added through the access port on top of the compactor. The air filter should be inspected before each use. Access the air filter housing by lifting the rubber flap. Remove the air filter cover and remove the air filter element. Inspect the element and replace or clean as necessary. Reinstall the element and replace the protective cover. A drain hose extension is provided to reduce mess when draining the engine oil. The vibratory unit is located inside the base plate. The bolt on the side is the drain plug. The bolt on the top is used for filling fresh oil. The clutch and belt can be accessed by removing the 4 bolts and removing the protective cover. An idler pulley is used to adjust belt tension. Be sure to use Loctite on all 4 bolts to prevent loosening caused by vibration. Your RCH780 hydraulic reversible vibratory plate compactor is now ready for use.